man's best friend, a mysterious bond. The connection between humans and dogs is one of the most profound relationships in the animal kingdom. It's a bond that has stood the test of time, evolving and deepening over thousands of years. Dogs have been our companions for millennia. Their loyalty is legendary. From the earliest days of human civilization, dogs have played a crucial role in our lives, serving as hunters, protectors, and loyal friends. Ancient artifacts and historical records show that this bond is not a recent development, but a relationship that has been nurtured over countless generations. Their presence enriches our lives, whether it's the joy of a wagging tail greeting us at the door or the comfort of a furry friend by our side. During tough times, dogs have a unique way of making our lives better. They bring happiness, reduce stress, and even improve our health by encouraging us to stay active. But where did these remarkable creatures come from? The origins of dogs have long fascinated scientists and historians alike. Archaeological evidence suggests that the domestication of dogs began tens of thousands of years ago, but the exact timeline and process remain subjects of ongoing research and debate. The story of dog domestication remains shrouded in mystery. While it's widely accepted that dogs descended from wolves, the specifics of how this transformation occurred are still unclear. Did early humans actively tame wolves, or did wolves gradually adapt to human society on their own? Traditional explanations point to wolves as their ancestors. These wild, intelligent creatures likely began to follow human groups, scavenging for food and gradually forming a symbiotic relationship. Over time, the tamest wolves may have been selectively bred, leading to the domesticated dogs we know today. Yet some compelling evidence suggests a more extraordinary origin. Recent genetic studies have revealed surprising insights into the domestication process, hinting at a more complex and perhaps intentional effort by early humans to create a new species. Could dogs be the product of ancient genetic engineering? Some theories propose that early humans may have experimented with selective breeding and even primitive forms of genetic manipulation to enhance desirable traits in wolves, accelerating the domestication process. The bond between humans and dogs is undeniable. This relationship goes beyond mere utility. It is deeply emotional and spiritual. Dogs have an uncanny ability to sense our moods and respond with empathy, forging a connection that feels almost magical. It is a connection that transcends mere companionship. Dogs are not just pets, they are family members, confidants and partners in our daily lives. This profound bond has inspired countless stories, artworks and traditions throughout human history. Dogs seem to understand us in a way that other animals do not. Their ability to read our emotions, follow our commands, and even anticipate our needs is unparalleled. This unique understanding has led some to wonder if there is more to the story than meets the eye. Could this deep connection be a result of ancient manipulation, a deliberate intertwining of our two species? As we continue to explore the history and genetics of dogs, we may uncover even more fascinating details about this extraordinary bond that has shaped both our species in profound ways. Ancient engineers, did they reshape life? The question has fascinated historians, archaeologists, and enthusiasts for generations. Throughout history, there have been whispers of advanced civilizations lost to time. These whispers often speak of societies with knowledge and technologies that seem almost magical by today's standards. Civilizations possessing knowledge and technologies far surpassing our own. From the construction of the pyramids to the intricate designs of ancient tools, the evidence of their advanced capabilities is scattered across the globe. What if these ancient cultures possessed the ability to manipulate the very building blocks of life? Imagine a world where genetic engineering was not a modern marvel, but an ancient practice. The idea might seem like science fiction, but evidence suggests otherwise. Various artifacts and ancient texts hint at a deeper understanding of biology and genetics than we previously thought possible. Some theorists point to the Anunnaki, powerful beings from Mesopotamian mythology, as potential genetic engineers. These beings are often depicted with advanced knowledge and tools, leading some to believe they played a significant role in shaping early human civilization. These ancient astronauts, as some believe them to be, are often credited with influencing human evolution. The idea that extraterrestrial beings could have visited Earth and shared their knowledge is a popular theory among ancient astronaut enthusiasts. Could they have also played a role in the creation of dogs? The domestication of animals, particularly dogs, is a significant milestone in human history. Some suggest that this process might have been accelerated or even initiated by these advanced beings. The possibility, while controversial, is intriguing. Scholars continue to debate the evidence, and new discoveries are constantly being made. Whether or not these ancient engineers truly reshaped life as we know it, the mystery remains a captivating topic of exploration and discussion. Whispers in stone what Egyptian hieroglyphs tell us. These ancient symbols, etched into stone thousands of years ago, offer us a glimpse into the minds and beliefs of one of the most fascinating civilizations in human history. Ancient Egypt, a civilization steeped in symbolism, may hold the key to unlocking this mystery. The grandeur of their monuments and the complexity of their writing system reflect a society deeply connected to both the earthly and the divine. Their intricate hieroglyphs depict a world where gods intermingled with humans and animals. These carvings tell stories of creation, power, and the eternal struggle between order and chaos. These depictions, often dismissed as mere mythology, may contain coded messages about genetic experimentation. Some scholars believe that the Egyptians had a sophisticated understanding of genetics, which they encoded in their art and writing. Animals held profound significance in ancient Egyptian culture. They were seen as more than just creatures. They were symbols of strength, wisdom, and protection. They were not merely creatures of burden or sources of food. Animals played integral roles in religious rituals, and their behaviors were often interpreted as omens or messages from the gods. They were revered as embodiments of divine power. Gods like Anubis with the head of a jackal and Bastet with the head of a lioness illustrate the deep spiritual connection Egyptians felt with the animal world. This reverence suggests a deeper understanding of the animal kingdom, perhaps one gained through advanced genetic knowledge. The Egyptians' ability to domesticate and train animals, as well as their detailed anatomical drawings, hint at a level of biological insight that was far ahead of its time. Through these hieroglyphs, we continue to uncover the layers of wisdom and mystery that define ancient Egypt. Anubis, guardian of secrets, hybrid god. Anubis, the jackal-headed god of the underworld, stands out as a particularly compelling figure. His unique appearance, a blend of human and animal traits, hints at a deeper truth. Could Anubis and other hybrid deities represent the pinnacle of ancient genetic engineering? The Egyptians were masters of animal husbandry. They developed distinct breeds of cats, cattle, and dogs. But what if their skills extended beyond selective breeding? What if they possessed the knowledge to combine DNA from different species, creating entirely new forms of life? Naming the beasts, a hidden history in taxonomy. The way we classify and name animals, known as taxonomy, might also hold clues. The Linnaean system, developed in the 18th century, groups organisms based on shared characteristics, but what if this system, unknowingly, reflects the work of ancient genetic engineers? The boundaries between species are not always clear-cut. Hybrids, like mules and liggers, demonstrate the fluidity of these boundaries. Could the existence of such hybrids, both natural and man-made, be a testament to a time when genetic manipulation was commonplace? The mammal-reptile hypothesis, a bold idea. While the idea of ancient genetic engineering is fascinating, it is the specific claim of reptile-mammal hybrids that truly captures the imagination. Could dogs, with their loyalty and intelligence, be the result of blending mammalian and reptilian traits? Reptiles, often viewed as cold and instinctual, possess remarkable adaptations. Their scales, their resilience, their ability to thrive in harsh environments, these are all traits that could have been desirable to ancient engineers. Skeletal structures often reveal evolutionary relationships. While dogs are classified as mammals, certain cranial and morphological features suggest a possible reptilian influence. Could these similarities be more than just coincidental? Consider the shape of a dog's skull, particularly the elongated snout and the positioning of the eyes. These features share similarities with certain reptiles, particularly those belonging to the crocodilian lineage. While these similarities could be attributed to convergent evolution, the possibility of a more direct evolutionary link remains. Advances in genetic sequencing allow us to delve deeper into the history of life on Earth. By comparing the genomes of different species, scientists can trace evolutionary lineages and identify instances of genetic exchange between species. Could this technology uncover evidence of ancient genetic engineering in dogs? Specific genetic markers, absent in wolves but present in both dogs and certain reptiles, could provide compelling evidence of hybridization. While such markers have yet to be definitively identified, the search is ongoing. The discovery of such a link would revolutionize our understanding of dog domestication. If dogs are indeed the product of ancient genetic engineering, it would rewrite our understanding of the past. It would mean that civilizations thousands of years ago possessed technology that we are only beginning to grasp today. The implications are staggering. It would mean that our ancestors were not primitive hunter-gatherers, but rather sophisticated scientists capable of manipulating the very essence of life. It would challenge our assumptions about the nature of progress and the limits of human ingenuity. The next time you look into the eyes of a dog, consider this. Could this animal, with its unwavering loyalty and uncanny ability to connect with humans, be a living testament to the ingenuity of our ancient ancestors? The mystery of dog domestication continues to intrigue us. While traditional explanations offer plausible scenarios, the possibility of ancient genetic engineering adds a layer of wonder and complexity. The search for truth is far from over. New discoveries await, and with them the potential to reshape our understanding of the past.